This video shows how to replace the thermostat on a TL43. You will need to remove the metal panel that's on the side of the fridge. There are several screws on the side and there are also a few screws underneath. Once you have removed all of the screws, you can remove the panel to gain access to the plug into the PCB board. You will need some pliers to squeeze together the plastic clips so that you can remove the PCB board. It is important to take note that on the PCB board where the plug connects, there are two spare terminals that aren't used. You can see them on the left hand side. When you reinsert the new plug, make sure that these two pins aren't covered. Unplug the ribbon from the PCB board. The thermostat / buttons on the top have a sticky back, so you will need to unpeel them as shown here. Once you have unstuck it, you can pull through the ribbon cable. You will then need to reinsert the new cable into the same position. It can be a little tricky to get through the hole, so I used a screwdriver just to help. But once it's through, you can pull it all the way down, stick the buttons on, and then connect the plug to the PCB board. Push the PCB board back onto the plastic clips and reinstall the metal cover. You need to make sure that the grommet locates inside the slider so that you don't damage any wiring. You can then insert all the screws back into position.